Customer relationship management is a strategy to manage interactions with potential and existing customers. Benefits include improved customer retention, better customer satisfaction, and increased sales. CRM helps businesses understand customer needs, personalize interactions, and target marketing effectively. It also centralizes customer data, streamlines communication, and boosts overall efficiency. CRM can track customer interactions, provide insights for decision-making, and enhance customer loyalty. Examples of CRM software include Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM. These platforms offer features like lead management, email marketing, and customer segmentation tools. Fundamentals of CRM include data collection, customer engagement, and sales automation. It also involves analytics, integration with other systems, and continuous improvement to enhance customer relationships. CRM systems help businesses build long-lasting relationships, increase profitability, and drive growth.